The hidden power of the Sri Yantra, ancient sacred geometry explained. Have you ever looked at the Sri Yantra and wondered why people have been meditating with this symbol for thousands of years? Today, I'm going to explain what the Sri Yantra is, why it's considered one of the most sacred geometric symbols in the world, and how many people use it as part of their meditation and intention-setting practice. The Sri Yantra is made up of 9 interlocking triangles surrounding a central point called the Bindu. In many spiritual traditions, these shapes symbolize the balance of masculine and feminine energy, the universe, and the journey toward inner awareness. Many practitioners place a Sri Yantra on an altar, in a meditation space, or somewhere they can spend a few quiet moments each day focusing on gratitude, mindfulness, and their personal intentions. While beliefs and practices vary, people often use the Sri Yantra to create a calming ritual. A simple way to begin is to sit comfortably, take a few slow breaths, gently focus your eyes on the center of the design, and allow your attention to settle. As your mind becomes quieter, you can silently repeat an affirmation or reflect on a meaningful goal. Consistency is often more important than length. Even 5 to 10 minutes of focused practice each day can help you build a regular mindfulness routine. If you're interested in learning more, I've created a beautifully designed Sri Yantra Guide PDF that explains the meaning of Sri Yantra, the symbolism behind the sacred geometry, step-by-step guidance for using it in your personal practice, placement suggestions, meditation tips, intention setting exercises, printable pages you can keep for daily inspiration. You'll find the link in my Etsy shop in the description below. It's an instant digital download, so you can begin exploring it right away. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if you've ever worked with sacred geometry or the Sri Yantra. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. The Sri Yantra is a traditional spiritual symbol used in various contemplative practices. Individual experiences vary. And this content is not intended as medical, psychological, legal, or financial advice.